I'm Anthony D'Silva from Ambeli. पहिले सुवातेर माझो व्हिडिओ फुडें चोवचे पयले please do subscribe to my channel Anthony D'Silva. Press the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that I can reach out to every family in Goa, in India and outside India too. Let me go back to little bit flashback stories. There were years back when a citizen from another country was considered for the highest post of India. There was so much of opposition. Even people of different thoughts and different ideologies came together to see that no person of any other country origin should be the head of a state or head of a country, or could be either the prime ministerial candidate or the presidential candidate or the chief ministerial candidate or the governor. So much of hatred. Now, today I want to also reflect on a few days back where Liz Truss, the Prime Minister of UK, resigned, having taken the moral responsibility of not being able to take care of the economy and the citizens of UK. Let's come back to my own country today. Is there such moral responsibility being taken by anybody, whether it is ministers, MLAs, prime ministers, governors and the president, hell bent? Even if our economy goes down to almost, GDP goes down to zero almost, I think even then people will not resign. Because when our GDP has gone so much low, the poverty has increased, unemployment has no sight in control, everything is going wrong for my nation, but not a single soul wants to take a responsibility on this. As of today, there were times in India during Mr. Honorable Madhu Dandavate, George Fernandes. I remember those days. Jagjivan Ram. I remember those days. Even a single accident of a train accident, the ministers would resign. Today, forget train accident. Even the whole state and the country is burning. People are not willing to leave their seat. This is the type of different types of narratives we are looking today. Now I would say, as of today, the latest news where I see that Rishi Sunak, Honorable Prime Minister of tomorrow, he has made all Indians proud today. He is not born in India, but his roots are from India, and so I am also proud of him today. That he has gone on to become the Prime Minister of United Kingdom, and with this, he has in fact completed the circle. And what is that circle? On the second part, I also have seen in the past a little boy with, I could say, of Indian origin, but there could be a debate on that. But definitely I can say a person of Goan origin has gone on to become the Prime Minister of Portugal. And hence another circle is completed there. What are these circles? The whole of India, except certain parts of India, were ruled by the Britishers. Today, an Indian origin person is ruling the Britishers. Is the Prime Minister of UK, which includes Britain. Today, some parts of where ruled by the Portugal. Today, a person of Goan origin, which was ruled by the Portuguese, is ruling the country Portugal. So that is where I say a circle has been complete and we have come back to our positions today. We are ruling the rulers today. So congratulations to Rishi Sunak. Once again, we also congratulate Dr. Costa from Margao, who is ruling the Portugal country, and here Sunak ruling United Kingdom. When it comes to the rule books, we also want to appreciate all the efforts that a lot of Indians we are supporting through online for Rishi Sunak. Sometimes we fail to recognize our own Indians when they achieve great things. And this type of accomplishment we must carry as a legacy for Indians and goals. Dev Bare Guru, thank you very much.